So we are going to talk about the web series called Fringe. It is American horror sci-fi fantasy drama, means web series, and it is a second season's 6 to 7 episode, maybe 6 or 7. So this series started with Chinatown in America. There was a guy who was so panic and he was finding someone. He went there and asked for help, but that doctor, I mean maybe he's a doctor, he started to do surgery on his body. There was a parasite in his body. They were doing this illegal human trafficking, not human trafficking, but there is a parasite which can grow only in a human body, and that is a type of drugs. You can use that for a drugs, but also in that parasite there is a medicine which can heal all the immune systems. Means if you have weak immune system, then that can heal very fast, easily. And he was collecting that. After this, there were 3 boats on that boat. There were so many passengers who were coming with these parasites. So they were all parasites grow suddenly and they were all died. FBI came there and see these all horrible scenes, and here he is our scientist, and that behind he is a scientist and Peter. They both started to surgery. They both started to investigate this, and later he find out that this is a parasite and it will grow only in a human body, and all of that. This is our FBI leader, and they were all shocked that how can this long parasite can grow inside the body. But later they find out that there is a larva. It is as small as a medicine which they took during their traveling. They were given for nonsense, but there was a girl, she didn't take that medicine and she survived. She told everyone that story, that how that parasite grow in that human's body. Then doctor find out that there is a girl who is funding for that company for that type of medicine, because her son was so sick, and for that she was funding that company. And later they find out that there is a 3 China company, means there are 3 store that sell that worm, China worm. So they went there to check which shop has that. So there was a 3rd shop. There he suddenly told him in excitement that there is a 40-meter worm in his lab, and then he knew that that is the worm that he is doing the experiment. They went there lab, they beat that girl and bring that worm inside their again lab, and then Peter and all the FBI agent went there at that lab whose doctor was doing surgeries. He went there, but they caught him, and then he was planting that larva inside the Peter so that the worm grow out and he died. And they find that medicine also. But at the same time when Peter is so smart that they were used in his talking, and then suddenly FBI came because he was already alerted them. They came and saved him at the same time. They sued that doctor and another, but they didn't know the source of these all things because it is a long series. It has 7 to 6 seasons, and this is a second season. If you like, then hit subscribe button.